Does your exhaust fall flat? Does it give you a bad impression with the ladies?
Hey baby, wanna see my free plate?
Ew.
Then we may have the solution for you. For years, scientists have been searching vigorously to find a solution to the world's deepest-rooted problem. Bad exhausts. Introducing Mike Oxbig, the leading scientist in this investigation.
I'm proud to announce that we have finally discovered a solution to this major world problem. Now this isn't just a single 6-inch piece of rubber. No. This is a horsepower boosting placebo that has only been given access to highly experienced Australian stock car racers until now.
Well, hello there! My name is Drew Peacock, and I am here to introduce you to the blockbuster, revolutionary new product out on the market today. That's right, the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip.
The woo-woo! It's that woo-woo! You know what I'm saying? Then you got the flows. They didn't trip off the flow masters.
That decoration, man. It's just for decoration. That's it and that's all, man. We do it for decoration.
Now this is one of the hottest selling items out on the marketplace today. But you don't want to take my word for it? Check out this exclusive interview that Harry Sachs conducted earlier.
Go. This is Harry Sachs on assignment for the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip. Sir, what's your name and experience with the product?
Hey there, Hugh C. Janus from Mianus, Connecticut. Here for the
Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip.
yeah, man, it's the cow's ass. Boy, I tell you what.
Now, since this is the debut of the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip, I feel like making some head-banging deals. When you purchase one Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip, you'll get the second absolutely free of charge. Just pay extra shipping, processing, and handling.
Cool.
We'll now go to our correspondent Mike Rock, who is live at Loomis Quarter Horses with a special interview.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Drew, I can hear you just fine. Yeah, this is Mike Roch here, live on assignment for the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip. And we're here with an exclusive interview. Today I got Uncle Ray here with me today. And Ray, I understand that you've used this product quite a bit, huh? Oh, yeah, good to hear it. Now, can you just tell me, what are your thoughts on this product? Do you think it's a pretty good product? Do you recommend it to many other people? Alright, buddy, I'll let you get back to that. Back to you, Drew.
If you call today, we will include a free picture of a dash hound absolutely free of charge. That's right, free of charge.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah.
These deals are insane! To order today, call 1-800-WACKY-TUBE. That's 1-800-WACKY-TUBE. 1-800-922-598823.
To order the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip, call 1-800-WACKY-TUBE. Payment accepted by cash, check, or good to high-quality hair.
Do you want the hair?
No, I don't want any damn hair.
This is the best hair in the Kazakhstan. Feel quality.
I don't want your damn hair.
Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip Industries are not responsible for any misuse, injury, jail time, or death caused by the Wacky Waving Inflatable Muffler Flayling Exhaust Tip, not made for human consumption.